is about finding a comfort zone with this car. I've made a lot of improvements that kind of put to bed some of the worries I had about safety. And so now it's really just a matter of putting in laps in this car. It's a wet day today. It might rain a little more later. I think that's a good thing. I think that's gonna kind of accelerate my learning of the car and its handling. And yeah, I didn't bring the lap timer, which was a mistake on my part, but as I thought about it, I realized the lap timer is just about me putting pressure on myself to perform. I'm not trying to do that today. I'm trying to just enjoy myself, enjoy the car. This is a fun little car. I think I've got it pretty well sorted now, at least as kind of the first phase of my time with it. So let's go out and slide it around a little bit and have fun. First session was a lot of fun. Then they brought us in there filming some promotional stuff out there, but the track is hot again, so I'm gonna get going again. While I was waiting, I went into Discovery Parts and asked if they had any like cheap seats that I could use in my sim rig, and they had a seat on closeout. So I got a seat plus the side mount rails for like 355 bucks. I am stoked. That was fun. That was super, super fun. I had a really, really good time. It started to rain a little harder at the end there, and as it did, I locked it up going into one and got all slidey going into one. Man, good times. Like hardly anybody out. There was that Formula car that passed me a couple of times. Otherwise, nobody on track. That was just what I needed. That was a really good time. I did a total of 46 miles, so roughly 23 laps today, maybe 22. Not bad, not bad. So I think I'm gonna call it there. The track's about to shut down for lunch. All right, I'm heading back home. Real quick, some takeaways from today. Number one, I love this car. It's a lot of fun to drive on the track. I'm really enjoying it. Number two, my suspension upgrade is definitely a success. The car felt way more planted. I was able to build confidence a lot faster. Number three, I think that I was trying to focus on lap times too quickly before I really got comfortable in the car. I needed a day like today to just put in 20 or so laps, get comfortable with the car, kind of learn to understand what it's doing, not put any pressure on myself, and that's what I did. It was so much fun. So yeah, I'm gonna put the other seat in and harnesses so I can take a passenger out with me at some point. Not sure what I'm gonna do after that. I'll think on it a little bit. Anyway, thanks for coming along for the ride. I would really appreciate it if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.